everyone, topic of today's video is social religious reform movements. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born in British-ruled Bengal to a prosperous family of Brahmin class. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded Brahmo Samaj in 1828 in Calcutta. He was also called as Father of Indian Renaissance, which means rebirth of thinking and ideology. He was against of caste system in which there was a hierarchy of Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudras. He opposed child marriages, which was a evil practice which existed in India in 18th century. He was also against of a famous evil practice of sati, of a widow's self-immolation on the funeral pyre of her deceased husband.
Interfering in Hindu customs could spark revolt, but it will save thousands.
The evil practice of sati was abolished by Sir William Bentinck in 1829. He supported widow remarriage in which widows can remarry again. He promoted girls' education for their upliftment and improvement in Indian society. Mughal ruler Akbar II gave the title of Raja to Ram Mohan Roy. His famous book named Tuafat-e-ul-Muaideen in Persian language translated by him. He promoted English education at the large level. In 1893, he gave a speech in Chicago where he used Bhaiyo aur Behno. Swami Vivekananda was born in Kolkata. He was a renowned Hindu monk and philosopher. Narendranath Dutt is the real name of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was heavily influenced by his guru Ramakrishna Paramhans. In the memory of his mentor, he founded Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. He was deeply influenced by the idea of unity in diversity, Ekta Mein Anekta. If you found my video informative, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.